Hi, this is Patrick from Federal Signal with today's pro tip on how to properly change the flash pattern on your Allegiant Discrete light bar. Today I'm going to take you step by step through changing flash patterns on the Allegiant Discrete light bar. Let us first explain the wire colors and their functions. For the standard Allegiant Discrete harness, the red wire is your main power wire for the front light bar activation, and the yellow wire is main power for rear light bar activation. With both wires powered, it allows for Mode 1 activation and flashes your primary color, front and rear. The Allegiant also has a Mode 2 wire for secondary flashing mode. The secondary flashing mode is activated by applying 12 volts to the brown wire. The Allegiant comes equipped with 28 selectable flash patterns. Mode 1 flashes the light bar's primary color with one of those selectable patterns. With the Allegiants configured with a secondary color, white for example, Mode 2 has the ability to flash both primary and secondary colors. Mode 2 flashes a primary color in the same 28 Mode 1 patterns, but also flashes 28 additional patterns with the primary and secondary colors, giving you 56 patterns in Mode 2. With Allegiant light bars configured with white in the front, the orange wire will illuminate all front-facing white modules in steady burn. The blue wire activates the work lights and bed lights on Allegiants configured with this option. The brown-white wire is a dual-purpose wire. When the Allegiant is in regular flashing mode, it dims the light bar when less light is needed. It is also used for changing the flash pattern of the light bar, which we will discuss now. To change the flash pattern of the light bar, activate the Mode 1 wires. Then tap the brown-white wire to 12 volts 3 times, once per second, to enter program mode. Then tap the brown-white wire once to advance the pattern. Tap it again to advance. Continue tapping the brown-white wire until the desired pattern is selected. Cycle power to save the flash pattern and also to verify the pattern was saved. For changing the flash pattern on Mode 2, simply repeat these steps with the brown wire powered. The gray and green wire will activate the right and left alley modules with Allegiants configured with white in the alley positions. For more pro tips, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.